can see, we are given with 3 of the questions here. These are the practice questions for division of polynomials. You can see A, B, C are the questions in which you have to do part number A and the C. Okay, and B is going to be left out because it is just a practice question which you have to do after once you go through these 2 questions. So it is just a trial for the viewers who are watching these 2 questions. So hello everyone, welcome to Akar Maths Basics classes. This is recap series which is going on for classes 6 to 9, and the chapter which is going on is algebraic expressions, or you can say polynomials, a part of polynomial as you can say, and this is the part number, I think it is going on as 12 or 11, it could be any number. Okay, so let's start with the first question. What is there in first question? Just see, it is written here 6x cube minus x plus 19x square minus 29, which is to be divided by 2x plus 3. Okay, now you can see that it is not arranged properly, right? It is not written in standard form. What we are going to do, the very first step of division is what? That you have to bring it into, you have to write it into descending form. So we are going to write first of all in descending form. So according to descending form or descending order, it will be 6x cube plus 19x square minus x minus 29 is to be divided by, here also you have to bring in descending form, but it is already in descending order, so let us keep it as such. Okay, then what we are going to do the next, we are going to bring it in the division form. This is to be done in division form, that is why we are going to take it like this, 2x plus 3, and the dividend is to be written inside. So dividend is 6x cube plus 19x square minus x minus 29, and this is going to be in your division bracket. Okay, now what is the first step after this? During this division process, what is the first step? That you have to take the first term of the dividend. This is dividend, this portion is dividend, and this is divisor. So the first term of the dividend is to be divided by first term of the divisor. So if you do it in the rough work, if you consider it as rough work for those who are not able to do here, right, here only, so they can do it in rough work. What you are going to do is you simply do 6x cube upon 2x, where this x cancels out with this power, so 3 cancels out with this power, and this will give you 2 3 times, so it is going to give you 3x square. So you are getting 3x square, and that coefficient, quotient, this is the quotient. Okay, so this quotient you are going to write here. Okay, so you will get here 3x square, and then you are going to multiply this quotient with each of the term of the divisor. So let us let us multiply, and then we are going to arrange that answer, that result, just below the like terms which are written here. So it is going to give you, after multiplication, 3 into 2 is giving you 6, and x into x square will give you x cube. So you are getting it just below this, a 6x cube, because both are the like variables, right? So, and the answer, the sign is plus here. Okay, then what? When you will multiply with this, you are getting what? 3 into 3 is giving you 9, and x square. Again it is x square, so just below x square we'll write here, and the sign also you can see, this is plus, this is plus, plus into plus is giving you plus, and then it becomes 9x square. Okay, now what was the second thing, second step? That you have to subtract. So you will do what? You will do minus over here, and as soon as you do minus, what happens? The sign of the inside terms changes. This minus is on the whole expression. So here if the sign changes, let us put it into the bracket. Okay, just put it into the small bracket, then it will be very easy for you to understand that it is going to be, signs are changed, and you will not do any mistake during the subtraction. So you can see this is minus sign, this sign, these signs will now vanish. Okay, you will not consider these two signs. But why? Because after minus, these two signs will cancel out, or you can say that it will be removed, and you are going to consider only these two signs. Since plus is there, you will just change the sign and it will become minus. So, and this has no meaning in that case. Once this sign is written, it means this also has no meaning. In fact, you can do it here, and here it will change then. Okay, now this is plus, this is minus. Plus and minus both are different signs, it will cancel out. What is the answer here? You can see again plus sign, minus sign, it means different, the sign is different, so you will do subtraction. So you are getting here 10x square. Plus sign is the greater one, so you will put here plus. Now again you have to repeat the same process which you have done here. Okay, now the second term is what? You have to note down this from here also. Whatever is left you can note down from here. So you will take now again this term, the first term of this expression. So what is the first term? 10x square. Again you will divide it by the first term. So in the second step, 10x square is to be divided by 2x. It will give you what? 5. Here 1 power and 2 is here, so you will get what? This power is also going to cancel out, so 5x is the remaining quotient. So you are going to put it here as 5. See, sign also is not having any problem in this case, both are plus, so here also you will get plus. So plus how much? 5x. Okay, now again you will multiply both by both. This 5x is to be multiplied by both of the terms of the divisor. So what you are getting, 5 into 2 is giving you 10, so you will write 10, and x into x is giving you x square, so 10x square. Just below the x square variable you are going to write 10x square. Again here also plus into plus is plus, and 5 into 3 is 15, and x. So just below x you will write here 15x. Okay, now let us do again this step, that is subtraction. So put here subtraction. Once subtraction sign comes here, here the sign changes. So let us put here again in bracket. Okay, those who have confused here, you can see here what we have to do, how to do. Okay, so again you see here, this is plus sign, this is minus sign. It means and the numerical coefficients are same, so they are going to cancel out. So this will cancel out, you'll get 0 here. What is here? Those who are new, they can write 0 also. Okay, those who feel like what to write here, they can write 0 for their understanding. Okay, now here you see this is minus sign, this is minus sign. Both the signs are same, so these coefficients are going to be added. So here no coefficient is there, it means it is 1. So 15 and 1 will give you how much? 16. And then x is the variable. Now sign of the bigger number 15, so minus 16x. Okay, next what is the number? Minus 29. Just note it down. Simply we have noted here. Okay, so here also we are going to note down. Understood? Now again the first term is to be divided by the first term. So it is minus 16x divided by 2x. X will cancel out. 2 how many times will give you? 16. 8 times, and then minus sign is there, so minus 8. Understood? Minus 8 is there. Now this minus 8 will be coming here, and now this is going to be multiplied with these two. So you will get what? Minus 8 into 2x is going to give you minus 16x, plus and into minus is going to give you minus, and 3 into 8 is going to give you 24. Okay, now let us solve again. Just put here minus sign, you have to subtract, and since subtraction is here, so sign of inside bracket changes, it becomes plus, this becomes plus. Now let us see the sign of these two, because we have to subtract, but let us look at the sign. Both the sign are different, it means they are going to cancel out. Here you can see minus and plus. Yes, again also here both the signs are different, so you are going to subtract. So 29 minus 24 is going to give you 5. Which one is the bigger sign? This is the bigger sign, so you'll put minus. It means you are remaining with a remainder of minus 5. Okay, so So this becomes the quotient and this is the remainder. It means you can see that 2x plus 3 is not the exact divisor, not the exact factor of this expression which is given to you. So this is how we are dividing. If you will get 0 here, it means this becomes the factor of this dividend. Okay, but we are not getting 0, it means it is not a proper factor. Okay. The same rule follows here also, that as we know that dividend is what? Dividend is always equal to quotient into divisor, okay, or divisor into quotient plus remainder. So when you will multiply these two, this expression completely with this expression, when you will multiply these two expressions and then when you will add this, you will get the this whole dividend. Okay, so this is your first one. Second part is C. You can see this one, this is to be done by you, and this one again we are going to see in the next portion. Say, let me write the question first. Say it is C. C part is what? It is 6x square. Sorry, it is not 6x square. I'll be writing from here. Okay, so it is 2 minus 3x square plus x minus x cube plus x4 to be divided by what? To be divided by x square plus 2 plus minus 3x. Now what is the first rule? That you have to write it in the descending order. Both the expressions you'll bring in descending order. So let us write in descending order first. This implies that in the highest order in this expression is this one. So we'll write it first x4, then minus x cube, then minus 3x square, then plus x, then plus 2 is to be divided by what you will do. Check here. This is x square, then minus 3x, and then plus 2. So what you have done, you have simply changed the you have just brought it into the descending order. You have just changed the order of the numbers. First highest power is written first, then second, then third, and then so on. So in descending order the powers are written. Okay, this much is clear. Let us move to do division. So this becomes the divisor, this is divisor, and this is the dividend. Okay, dividend को हम small d से show करते हैं और divisor को capital D से. Okay, so this is dividend, this is divider. Let us write what we are having here. X square minus 3x plus 2 is the divisor of x to the power 4 minus x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, and then you are going to start with your division now. So what is your first step? Dividing. The first step is step 1, divide. What is to be divided? First term by first term, that is first term of dividend by first term of divisor. So let us use here rough work column. So x4 divided by x square will give you x square, but I'll show it again for the students who don't understand or those who feel that or those who hesitate in doing so. So no need to hesitate in maths. If you are not able to do here properly, don't worry, just make a column over a right side, make a rougher column, and immediately in front of that you can just do it. Okay, that is why I am giving you here, and just make sure to have a habit of creating a rougher column. Don't at all try to do the calculations here and there or in other pages. Try to do just in front of the line where you are doing. Say you are doing the step number 1 here, just do it in front of this. Okay, so you can see that this is the first term is to be divided by x square. So you just divide the powers, what you will get? X square, right? When powers will be, when 2 of the x will go out, you will see that only x square is remaining. That becomes your quotient here, right? Now this quotient is to be multiplied with each of the 3 terms of the divisor. Okay, so we are going to multiply each of the 3 terms of the divisor. The first term is what? X square into x square, you will get x to the power 4. Remember, when you are going to multiply, just make sure that you are going to write it just below the like variables or the same powers. Okay, So it is giving you x4. Let us write here x4. Then with this term you have to multiply by this, you have to multiply by this, you have to multiply by this. So secondly you will multiply by minus 3x. So it will give you minus 3 because no other number is here. So minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, and x square into x will give you x cube. So here it will give you minus 3x cube, right? Then 2 into x square will give you what? 2x square. So x square, and just below x square you will write 2x square. Okay, now what? Now just you have to subtract. As we do in general or simple divisions, what we do, we subtract the same method you'll use here to subtract. When you're going to subtract, simply change the sign in the inside of the bracket. So here you can see this is a plus sign, it will become minus over here. This is minus, so it will become plus, and here it is plus, so it will become minus. Okay, now you see, when you are going to subtract, this is minus sign, this is plus sign. Don't consider this sign now, okay? You will consider these signs in final case, okay? When you are finally subtracting. So this is plus, sorry, this is minus, because inside was minus plus, so it will change to minus. Okay, make sure. Okay, this is minus, this is plus, so they will cancel out, right? Here this is plus, this is minus. Both signs are different. Definitely you are going to subtract. So when you are going to subtract, how much you will get? You will get minus 3 is here, plus 3 is here, and minus 1. So it will give you 2x cube. And which sign? Plus sign, because this one is the greater number. 3 is greater, so plus. Now else what? You can see this is minus and this is minus. It means both the signs are same. When same signs are there, the numbers are added. It means we have to add these two. You will get 5x square, but the sign of bigger number, that is minus. Understood? Okay, now let us write down this one expression. It is going to give you how much? Plus x. Okay, now again the first term is to be divided by this. So here, just in front of this, right here, okay, because we have completed of this step. So in front of this you can do the your rough work. So 2x, sorry, this is cube, 2x cube divided by x square will give you how much? This 2, this 2, this 3. You will just take out one 2 of the x's from this x cube. You will get 2x. Also this is your next quotient, so it becomes 2x. Now when you will multiply, you are getting what? 2 into, here it is 1, so 2 1 is 2, and then x square into x will give you x cube, so 2x cube. So it will be here 2x cube. Then what? 2x into minus 3x. So 2 into 3 is what? First you see minus into plus, minus, and 2 3 is 6, and x into x is square. So just just below this number you can write 6x square. Okay, next plus into plus, plus 2 into 2, 4, and then x, so it is 4x. Just subtract. Okay, are you understanding? See, if minus sign is there, so obviously sign changes inside also, so it will become, this is plus. When no sign is there, you have to consider it plus. It is understood. Okay, so this is plus, so it means it will change to minus. This is minus, it will change to plus, and this is plus, it will change to minus. Okay, now check the sign. These two signs are different, but these numbers are same, so they will cancel out. Next is what? In this sign are different, so obviously you have to subtract. So 6 minus 5 will give you 1x square, right? 6 minus 5 is giving you what? 1x square, and sign of the bigger number, that is plus. And here you see this is minus sign, this is plus sign. Again the difference of sign is there. It means you have to subtract. So 4 minus 1 will give you 3x. When you are writing 3x, the sign of the bigger number, that is minus. And then you will just note it down here with 2. Okay, here we have noted down x, and here it is 2. Right? Now again see here, this number is there, you have to divide it. So first term, so there also you are having x square, here also you are having x square. When you are dividing, numbers are getting, they are just cancelling out. What are you getting in your quotient? It is 1. So let us write it 1. And what else is the is the sign here? It is plus, because no other issues are there. So let us write here plus. Okay, now plus 1 is giving you what? When you are going to multiply, it is going to give you x square. So it is to be written here. Again, all the terms here are to be multiplied here. So x square, then minus into plus minus, and 3x will give you the same as 3x. Now again plus 2, this is 1, so plus 2 is going to give you plus 2. Okay, let us do the subtraction now. When you are going to put minus sign, just check the sign here. You will get the change of sign, that is minus. Here it becomes plus, here it becomes minus. Now minus sign, plus sign, both are different. They will cancel out. Okay, again plus sign, minus sign, both are different, but these two are same. So they will cancel out. This is plus, this is minus, but these two are same. It means they are going to cancel out. So you will get ultimately 0 as your answer, as your remainder. When 0 is remainder, you can say that this divisor is the factor of this. It means x square minus 3x plus 2 is an exact divisor of given polynomial, that is x4 minus x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Okay, so this is how we find out the division process. This is known as the quotient. Okay, this is known as remainder. So this is how we do the division of polynomials, and I hope that now you have understood it properly. Go on practicing, you will be smoother in your work. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye bye.